You want the best of both worlds, affordable videos that still have a high impact. What if I told you that was possible? You can make videos for a fraction of the cost without sacrificing the video's effectiveness. The key is one of the unkept secrets of the manufacturing industry: batch production. And it's time you applied it to your video marketing. Batch production is when you film several videos at the same time to be released at regular intervals. For example, we're filming 15 simple videos today that will be released over a span of 3 months. For complex videos, some of our clients have filmed 5 at the same time and reduced their costs by 40%. I'll explain how to batch produce in just a moment. But first, let me share how it can achieve the best of both worlds. First, batch produced videos come at a fraction of the cost. The video industry is a service industry, so the biggest expenses are the people. Standard billing practice for a video freelancer is to charge a day rate. That is, a flat rate you pay for every day they work on your project. It does not matter if your production only takes half the day. You will pay for the full day. So it's in your best interest to fill up that day. If you can film 2 or even 4 videos on the same day, you'll pay just as much for production as you would have with just 1. There's a similar benefit in the editing room. The video editor will take time to understand your organization and create a look for you with custom styles and graphics. Once that's created, it's done. You can use it on as many videos you want without paying for it again. This allows you to cut costs drastically, sometimes by 50% or more. Secondly, batch producing videos will increase your impact. When you make just 1 video and it tanks, there are a dozen unanswered questions. Did you just post it at the wrong time? Or maybe the title could have been better? Was the video content itself irrelevant to your audience? Or maybe you just need to tweak the targeting. Similarly, when one video performs exceedingly well, you don't have data to pinpoint exactly what went right and how to do it again. However, when you post several videos over a period of time, you multiply the data, allowing you to compare and analyze trends. For example, we found that for our audience, videos that were about 180 words long performed much better than similar videos that were 250 words. And we also learned that posting a vertical video rather than a horizontal video on Instagram tripled its impact. That insight alone paid for itself. Finally, having several videos to post also allows you to gain momentum. Social media algorithms reward consistency. If you post more than 1 video at regular intervals, the platform will show your second video to the people who watched your first video, and then some others. Then it will show your third video to those who watched the first and the second videos, and some others, and so on. Posting several videos spaced at regular intervals will always perform better than just posting 1, even if it has everything going for it. So, how do you batch produce videos? The key is in the planning process. You have to batch from the beginning. Generate several high-impact ideas for video topics. I explain how to do this in some of my other vlogs. Once you have several ideas sketched out, ask, what do these ideas have in common? Think about 2 things: who would be speaking and what is seen. Is there someone who can address more than one topic? For example, most of the videos we film include a leadership figure, like a pastor or board president. So one interview with that person can address topics from several or all of your videos. Or say you're a private school, maybe a parent could give both a testimonial and provide valuable insight in a what to expect video. Minimize people while maximizing what each person provides is key to batch production. Next, what visuals illustrate the video topics? Are there images or activities that can appear in several videos? You don't have to get down into the weeds, but a few ideas are good for a start. For example, for a Catholic school, a shot of the morning drop-off could be used both in the testimonial video as well as in the what to expect video. Again, the goal is to minimize the number of locations while maximizing their use in the final videos. Once you've brainstormed who could be speaking, what may be seen, and what your batch of videos has in common, get a video professional involved. They're the experts at building videos in their head, so they can cross-check you for coverage, add ideas if needed, and help consolidate the shoot even further. Batch producing videos is heavy on the planning end. It will take longer to get all the ducks in a row because, frankly, there are more ducks. But the payoff, both in money saved and impact increased, is well worth it. For more mission-driven marketing tips like this one, subscribe to our newsletter at hundredfoldvideo.com and let us help you multiply your ministry.